Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Catit filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for ensuring your feline friend has access to clean, fresh, and enticing drinking water, which is crucial for their overall health, hydration levels, and can even help prevent urinary tract issues and kidney problems, making it a vital part of their daily well-being and a smart investment for any responsible cat owner. Number 5. Catit Triple Action Replacement Water Fountain Filters, 5-pack. Keep your cat's drinking water fresh and clean with these official replacement filters. They are designed to work seamlessly with various Catit drinking fountains. These filters provide triple action filtration to ensure the purest water for your feline friend. They effectively remove impurities and unpleasant odors. Say goodbye to dirt and cat hair in the water bowl. Our filters trap these unwanted particles, ensuring a cleaner drinking experience. The active carbon within the filter works to eliminate odors and impurities. This leaves the water tasting fresh and appealing for your cat. It also features ion exchange resin to soften hard tap water. This helps maintain the cleanliness of both the water and the fountain itself. Made with a fine mesh, these filters are excellent at trapping larger particles and debris. This ensures your cat always has access to clear, clean water. What we like? This filter offers a triple action filtration system, combining mesh, activated carbon, and ion exchange resin. It effectively removes odors, impurities, and softens hard tap water. If you're looking for comprehensive water purification to ensure your cat always drinks clean and fresh water, this is a great choice. What people say. The filter is designed to fit the Catit fountain perfectly, ensuring optimal filtration. It effectively removes hair, debris, and odors from the water, keeping it fresh and clean for your cat. The multi-stage filtration system includes a foam filter and an activated carbon filter, which work together to provide superior water quality. Number 4. PetSafe Drinkwell Pet Fountain Replacement Carbon Filters. Ensure the perfect fit for your PetSafe Drinkwell fountain. These filters are certified to seamlessly integrate with various models, providing optimal performance. Keep your pet's water tasting fresh and clean with our replaceable carbon filters. They actively work to refresh the water, ensuring your pet always has a healthy drink. Experience superior and longer-lasting filtration. Our filters contain 50% more carbon than generic brands, offering better value and cleaner water for your beloved pet. Replacing the filter is a breeze. Simply swap it out when you clean the fountain. Each filter provides 2 to 4 weeks of continuous filtration. Rely on nearly 30 years of experience from a trusted global leader in pet innovation. Our US-based experts are ready to assist you and your pet. We are dedicated to helping pets and their people live happy together. Choose our products for a happier, healthier life for your furry friend. What we like? This option boasts 50% more carbon than generic brands, ensuring superior and longer-lasting filtration. It's certified to fit a wide range of Drinkwell fountains. If you prioritize extended filtration periods and want the assurance of a certified fit for your PetSafe Drinkwell fountain, this is the one to consider. What people say. The filter is designed to effectively remove impurities from the water, ensuring a cleaner drinking source for your cat. The multi-stage filtration system captures hair, debris, and other contaminants, promoting better hydration and health for your pet. The filter is easy to install and replace, making maintenance of the cat fountain hassle-free. Number 3. PetSafe Drinkwell Replacement Foam Filters. Ensure your pet always has access to fresh, clean water. These filters trap loose hair and debris, maintaining a clean water flow. Keep the water pump running smoothly for longer. They act as a filter pad, protecting pump components from clogs and wear. Replacing the filter is a breeze. It offers quick installation and is compatible with many of our ceramic and stainless steel fountains. With US roots and global reach, we provide vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We are dedicated to creating joyful experiences for pets. Since 1998, we have been creating safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance pet lives and strengthen the bond you share. What we like? Designed to trap loose hair and debris, this filter also plays a crucial role in protecting your fountain's pump from clogs and wear. If you own a PetSafe Drinkwell ceramic or stainless steel fountain and want to extend its lifespan while maintaining clean water, this foam filter is an excellent addition. What people say. The filter works well to keep the water clean. The design is easy to clean and maintain. The fountain has multiple drinking levels, which my cats enjoy. Number 2. 11 PCS Cat Fountain Filter Replacement. Ensure your furry friend always has access to fresh, clean water. This pack provides essential replacements for your automatic pet water fountain. Designed to fit most 2.5L automatic pet water fountains from popular brands. Please check the dimensions to ensure a perfect match for your device. Our filters feature a 4-layer system with cotton mesh, ion exchange resin, and activated carbon. This effectively removes debris, heavy metals, and improves water taste. By keeping the water clean and fresh, these filters help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections. They offer a healthier and more durable solution for your pet's well-being. Simply soak the filter for 2 minutes and rinse before use. We recommend replacing them every 1 to 4 weeks, depending on usage and season, to maintain optimal freshness. Each filter is sealed individually to guarantee its quality and effectiveness. This ensures you receive a pristine product every time. What we like? This comprehensive set includes 8 carbon filters, 2 sponges, and a cleaning brush, featuring a 4-layer filtration system. It's compatible with many popular 2.5L automatic pet water fountains. If you're looking for a cost-effective, all-in-one solution with multiple filter components and a cleaning tool, this package is ideal. What people say. The filter is designed to keep the water clean and fresh for your cat. It effectively removes hair, debris, and odors from the water. The filter is easy to install and replace, ensuring continuous clean water for your pet. Number 1. PetSafe Drinkwell Premium Carbon Filters 12-pack. Ensure optimal performance with filters specifically certified to fit your PetSafe Drinkwell fountain. This includes models like Outdoor, Everflow, Multi-Tier, Original, Platinum, Zen, and Mini. Keep your pet's water tasting fresh and clean with these replaceable carbon filters. They work to continuously refresh the water, encouraging your pet to drink more. Experience enhanced filtration with our branded filters, which contain 50% more carbon than generic alternatives. This means better and longer-lasting water purification for your furry friend. Replacing the filter is a breeze. Simply swap out the old carbon filter when you clean your pet's fountain. Each filter provides 2 to 4 weeks of effective filtration. For nearly 30 years, PetSafe has been a leader in pet product innovations. We are dedicated to helping pets and their people live happy together, backed by US-based customer care. What we like? Similar to another option, this filter also contains 50% more carbon than generic brands for enhanced and extended filtration. It's certified to fit specific Drinkwell models like the Outdoor, Everflow, and Multi-Tier. If you have one of these particular PetSafe Drinkwell fountains and want superior, long-lasting water freshness, this filter is a solid pick. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly into the Catit fountain. It effectively removes hair and debris, keeping the water clean and fresh for my cats. The multi-stage filtration system ensures that the water is purified and free from impurities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.